is Sherry from Watch Learn Eat. Today we're going to be making vegan cream cheese mashed potatoes. This recipe is so easy. You only need 3 main ingredients plus salt and pepper. It's perfect for holidays or anytime you just want mashed potatoes. For the cream cheese, my favorite brand to use is Kite Hill. This brand is made with almond milk, but you can use any vegan cream cheese that you prefer. This brand is also oil-free, so there is an option to keep these mashed potatoes oil-free since there's no vegan butter in them. So if you use an oil-free cream cheese, that is one way to keep them oil-free. And then, of course, the other way would be to make sure you're using a plant milk that doesn't have oil either. So for this recipe, I'm using oat milk, and a lot of times it does have oil in it. So you want to make sure you check the packaging before you purchase the item. But I also make this recipe a lot with almond milk, so that's another option that usually doesn't contain oil. So let's get started.
Okay, so the ingredients you need are, of course, potatoes. I like to use yellow potatoes, but you can also use russet potatoes if you prefer. This is 2.5 pounds of potatoes. Then, of course, the vegan cream cheese we were talking about, and I said I'm using Kite Hill, and this is 4 ounces of cream cheese. Then 1/2 cup of the plant-based milk of your choosing. And like I said, oat milk works really good in this recipe, but almond works nicely too. Then we have 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. First, peel the potatoes. Now you're going to chop your potatoes.
Once chopped, add the potatoes to a pot and cover with water. After you add the water, you're ready to boil your potatoes.
Once boiling, cook the potatoes for about 10 to 15 minutes until fork tender.
When the potatoes are done, you're going to drain them in a colander and then return them to the pot.
First, you're going to add the cream cheese, followed by the almond milk or oat milk, whichever one you're using. Make sure we get all of that. Okay, and then you are going to use an electric hand mixer to combine all of the ingredients. When you're mixing, be sure not to over mix, or sometimes the potatoes can get too gluey. We don't want that, of course. Once you're done mixing, you want to add in your salt and pepper, and you're going to just stir that in until it's well incorporated. And then after you've stirred it in, you can taste test it and see if you want any more salt or any more pepper. I know everyone's tastes are different. And all right, voila, we've got mashed potatoes.
These vegan mashed potatoes are so easy to make. I really hope you give them a try. They're actually our family's absolute favorite mashed potatoes to make, and everyone isn't even dairy-free in our family, or vegan for that matter. So I really think you're gonna love them. And taste test. Perfect every time. I hope you give them a try. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching.